Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2012 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Now the exterior color is black, and under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our daytime running lights with a pair of fog lamps and 2 tow hooks. As well as we have our engine block heater connection, and over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and an OEM sunroof on top. At the rear we have our dual-tipped exhaust, as well as we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection. We also have a reverse camera, and inside our box we have our spray-in bed liner, as well as we have a soft tonneau cover on top. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors, as well as our mirrors are also heated. Over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial with our tilt steering wheel with our foot pedal adjustment, as well as our hands-free and information trackpad on the left, as well as our cruise control settings on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights and our garage door openers, with our rear window slide switch and the beautiful OEM sunroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a nice black leather with our Ram embroidering stamp, and the driver and passenger can both enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as the driver can have memory seating. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 453,000 kilometers on our Dodge Ram. And as we look ahead, we have our touchscreen display, which allows for navigation, phone connectivity, an aux-in, as well as satellite radio and AM and FM. And underneath we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin, as well as we have air conditioning heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as a heated steering wheel for the driver. And at our center console we have tons of storage here. We have our center console shifter, which has our select option, as well as our cubby hold, dual cup holders, more storage in the front, and our center console with tons more storage underneath. At the rear, passengers can enjoy tons of door storage, as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and in the rear of the passenger seat. And at the back of our center console we have our own ventilation system, as well as 12-volt adapter and dual heated seats for the left and right passenger. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Dodge Ram, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.